For decades, Noida has been governed by a single industrial body, the Noida Authority, established in 1976. However, a major shift in the city's governance is now on the horizon as the Uttar Pradesh government formalizes a proposal to create a metropolitan corporation for the city. The momentum for this change was sparked by a 2025 Supreme Court directive following a SIT probe into a land compensation scam. The court observed that Noida's structural governance was fundamentally flawed. The SIT report highlighted an excessive concentration of power within a very small group of officials, leading to a systematic issues like lack of transparency, weak oversight, and policies that allegedly favored private builders over public interest. Unlike the current authority driven model, the new civic body would introduce elected ward representatives, giving residents a direct voice in the decision making for the first time. This transition is seen as vital for the city's future, especially considering that the land banks in Noida are nearing exhaustion, and the focus must now shift to maintaining long-term infrastructure and urban services. While the residents have widely welcomed the move, some people have expressed caution. There are concerns that changing the administrative framework could unsettle investors who view Noida right now as notified industrial township friendly to businesses. Additionally, the law department has noted that legislative amendments would be necessary as current industrial acts do not include provisions for municipal bodies. Despite these hurdles, the proposal has cleared preliminary department reviews, including a confirmation from the finance department that the Noida Authority itself would bear all the cost of the transition. The final note is now headed to State Cabinet, where a decision will be made on whether to fundamentally reform how one of the most planned cities in India is managed. Please let me know in comments, are you in favor of this or are you not in favor of this? And what would be the pros and the cons of a new civic body for all the Noida residents?